I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray so nothing powers the board while you work. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and organize small parts in order. This prevents lost screws. Use a suction cup and plastic picks to separate the rear cover or screen gently. Avoid metal prying to prevent cracking. Make sure to record which screws came from which hole. Accurate reassembly depends on it, and that saves time later. You next remove the display or back panel to expose internal modules. This reveals the home button flex and its bracket. First, disconnect the battery connector to cut power and prevent shorts. Then unscrew the small bracket that secures the home button flex cable and open the ZIF latch. Do this slowly so you don't tear the cable. Once released, lift the button assembly or flex from its adhesive bed. You're separating mechanical parts from the board, not forcing them apart, which avoids damage. You remove the home button, then clean any remaining adhesive with isopropyl alcohol and a plastic spudger. This prevents uneven reassembly. If you plan to reinstall a new button, apply appropriate adhesive strips before placing the new flex and securing the bracket. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and power on the phone to test touch and navigation. Make sure functionality is intact. If the home function fails, power down. Reseat the flex and battery connector, and inspect for torn traces or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.